guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do nothing. Yeah, nothing, because I have no idea what to do. I just talk something about what is my life, like really. Why does all my these three teachers are and the end last name is crazy. My math teacher, it sounds like Chanda Reminder. Sounds like Chanda Reminder, no. Oh my. Then there is my ICT teacher. It's actually Madhusika Stalker. Is a big stalker. Then my music teacher. Madhusika Damage. It sounds like damaged. Okay, so bye guys. That's it. See you.